Right there you can see a pickup truck, and then right there is a car. This is not supposed to be here. This is blocking the road. And even this cargo trailer. Again, these things just wash down the river as if they were literally just corks or just cans. So as you can see in the water, that is all fuel and oil and whatever else mixed up in the water, just getting washed downstream.